Here's a quick video showing how to take apart a big tensegrity structure. The joint between a strut and a tendon happens like this. Come on, focus. So when you make the joint, you can push this through and the barb catches and keeps it there. So the way to get it out, focus. So the way to get it out is to push it in, rotate it 180 degrees, and then pull it out. So again, you can push it, rotate it, and pull it. Another way to get them out is to just push them through. Like that. And then they're free. So we'll use some of each technique in taking this one apart. So the first one, you always have to take it that way, but then you can pull them through, like so. When there's a double, like this, they're a little more of a pain to get out, but not that bad, as you can see. So this double, we can actually push them both through, like this, which is sometimes easier. The nice thing about pulling them back through rather than pushing them is that you don't need to change your grip. It just comes right out like that, rather than having to take multiple grips to push it through. So it can be a little faster. But sometimes with a double, it's easier to get started by pushing than pulling. You'll see that the way I'm working is that I'll remove all the joints on the end of one tube as opposed to removing each tendon individually. So you can kind of think about it as removing it, the links in a tube-wise fashion rather than a tendon-wise fashion. And so that's it. That's how you take apart a big tensegrity structure.